Beyond Earth, the search for superhabitable worlds. Welcome to our journey beyond the stars, where we explore exoplanets that could potentially be better than Earth. For millennia, humanity has gazed up at the night sky, wondering if we're alone in the universe. Now, thanks to incredible advancements in telescopes and detection methods, we're discovering thousands of planets orbiting other stars. And some of these exoplanets, my friends, might just make Earth look like a cosmic fixer-upper. We're talking about super-Earths, planets larger and potentially more habitable than our own. Planets with vast oceans, perfect temperatures and resources that could sustain life for billions of years. Join me as we delve into the fascinating world of exoplanet research and uncover the secrets of these distant worlds. Are you ready to explore the cosmos for your next home? Buckle up. Proxima Centauri b, our next-door neighbor. Let's start our journey just a stone's throw away, cosmically speaking, at Proxima Centauri b. This exoplanet orbits Proxima Centauri, the closest star to our Sun, a mere 4.24 light-years away. Now, you might be thinking, Neil, that's still incredibly far. And you'd be right. But on the scale of the universe, it's practically in our backyard. Proxima Centauri b is a bit more massive than Earth and resides within its star's habitable zone. That means it's the right distance from its star for liquid water to exist on its surface. And where there's water as we know it, there could be life. Of course, we still have much to learn about Proxima Centauri b. Does it have an atmosphere? What's its surface like? These are questions that future telescopes like the James Webb will hopefully answer. The Kepler 452b, Earth's older cousin. Next up, we travel 1,400 light-years away to Kepler 452b, often called Earth's older cousin. This exoplanet is about 60% larger than Earth and orbits a star very similar to our Sun. What makes Kepler 452b particularly exciting is its age. It's about 1.5 billion years older than Earth, meaning it's had plenty of time for life to evolve, if the conditions are right. Imagine a planet with vast oceans, continents teeming with life, and a civilization far more advanced than ours. Now, I'm not saying that's what we'll find on Kepler 452b, but the possibility is tantalizing. We need more data to determine if Kepler 452b truly is a superhabitable world, but it certainly has the potential to be a game changer in our search for life beyond Earth. Chapter 3, TRAPPIST-1e, 7 Wonders. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to visit a star system with not one, not two, but 7 Earth-sized planets. Located about 40 light-years away, the TRAPPIST-1 system is a treasure trove of potentially habitable worlds. 3 of these planets, TRAPPIST-1, E, F, and G, orbit within the star's habitable zone. But TRAPPIST-1e is special. It's the most similar in size and mass to Earth and receives a similar amount of energy from its star. Now, before you pack your bags, there are a few things to consider. TRAPPIST-1 is a red dwarf star, much smaller and cooler than our Sun. This means the habitable zone is much closer to the star, and the planets are likely tidally locked, with one side always facing the star. But hey, who doesn't love a good sunrise? Or sunset, for that matter. Chapter 4, Gliese, 667 cc of Super-Earth Showdown. Prepare for a Super-Earth Showdown as we journey 23 light-years away to Gliese 667c. This planet is at least 4 times more massive than Earth and orbits a red dwarf star, Gliese 667c. Now you might be wondering, Neil, why all the fuss about red dwarf stars? Well, they're the most common type of star in the Milky Way galaxy, which means there's a good chance we'll find habitable planets around them. Gliese 667cc is particularly intriguing because it resides near the inner edge of its habitable zone. This means it could have a rocky surface and oceans just like Earth. But it also means it might experience intense flares from its star. Talk about a cosmic sunburn. We need more data to determine the true nature of Gliese 667cc, but it's a prime candidate for future exploration. Chapter 5, LHS 1140b, dense with possibilities. Our final destination takes us 49 light-years away to LHS 1140b. A super-Earth with a heart of iron, literally. This planet is about 7 times more massive than Earth and has a density suggesting a composition similar to Earth's, with a large iron core. And here's the kicker. LHS 1140b orbits within the habitable zone of its star, a red dwarf named LHS 1140. Now you might be thinking, Neil, another red dwarf, but remember, these stars are incredibly common, and LHS 1140 is a particularly calm and stable star, unlike some of its more temperamental sibling. This means LHS 1140b could have a stable climate and atmosphere, making it an ideal place for life to flourish. The future of humanity among the stars. Thanks for joining us on this cosmic adventure. Who knows? One of these exoplanets might just be our future home. As we continue to explore the universe, we're discovering more and more potentially habitable worlds. The sheer number of exoplanets out there suggests that life beyond Earth isn't just a possibility, it's a probability. Perhaps one day we'll send probes or even human explorers to these distant worlds. We'll study their atmospheres, search for signs of life, and unravel the mysteries of the cosmos. Until then, keep looking up at the stars and let your imagination run wild. The universe is full of possibilities, and who knows what wonders await us out there. Keep those imaginations fire.